YouTube? I'm back making another cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the market as a whole. As you can see, our market cap, well, if we go into the market cap up top, the total volume is 580 and we are almost at $600 billion, which is really nice to see. And as you can see, we do have a kind of both-sided market right now. We do have coins that are up and we do have coins that are down. And it seems to me like most of the more, I want to say, these are the ones that are doing quite well in the market. Everything else is down so-so. But the top 10 seem to be doing the best as of right now. And if I show you the Litecoin chart, you can see on the daily chart what is happening. If I zoom in a little bit, or I want to call it a bull flag, but not sure, but a descending triangle down, which seems to me like there's a chance we can break up out of this. And my reason behind that is you can see on these blue marks that I drew in the past, you notice that this isn't the first time this is happening. It's just happening at a larger scale, which usually means there's going to be a much bigger uptrend afterwards. You can see that we've had this downtrend and this downtrend followed by some recovery or consolidation even here. So if you noticed on here, on this one, yes, it might not look like anything right now, but when I zoom in, you'll notice how this run was. A huge run all the way from like $44 up to $100 is a pretty big jump. And then we a 1 to 21 day period, so about 3 to 3.5 weeks of recovery, or not consolidation, but downtrend. As you notice, we came up, we came down, consolidated, blew up again, and that's pretty. We came up, it was the 12th, we came down, it's the 29th, so 7, 14, around 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks, which is pretty much the same thing that happened numerous times in the past. So what I do see happening, if we follow the charts, is that we had this run up, which is right here. We fell, and we fell. We had some consolidation, and then we ran up again. So what we can pretty much infer or predict is that either there's going to be a breakout upwards, or we're going to start to see some consolidation here, and then a boom upwards, taking us into all-time highs in the near future, in the next. So basically this happened the 22nd to, I want to say, right around here, we started to break up. The 22nd to the 16th, so around another 3 weeks. So I want to say that maybe in the middle or towards the end of February, we can start to see the end of the consolidation period and then an upward bounce into breaking us into all-time highs. Thing to see happening with Litecoin, and I do have my money in. Also, another thing is, if you noticed on here again, we were, let's see, we can even go, no, we'll use this one. You can see we're pretty much of resist the middle moving average. We break up, we fall back, we don't go below it, and we kind of just hang out here, and then we break out again and we fly up off of it. So to see us come down once again and retouch the moving average is almost like predictable that this would have happened. Buy in this area, definitely a good time to be buying coins, and then see a strong bullish movement upwards in the near future. And that goes for Bitcoin as well. If we look on the daily chart, zoom out, you'll notice that we are entering this sort of bullish uptrending pattern, setting lower highs and higher lows as we move upwards. And you notice that this all comes to a point. So what I can see happening is maybe another touch on this downtrend, and then we'll consolidate or just follow this line down, going higher up. So I do suspect that we will continue this consolidation pattern into the mid to end of February, but I can see March bringing us some very nice bullish movements upwards. That kind of goes for all the cryptocurrencies, the top ones, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Ethereum kind of following its own path. How we kind of have these ripple-like effects. So we had the strong upward channel, followed by consolidation, upward channel, another upward channel, followed by some more consolidation in the near future. So keep an eye out on Ethereum too, because this does seem to be a sort of breakout. But we are following this line of support that I found. If you notice, we touched it here all the way back on the 17th, and we've kind of just been riding this up. I can draw it out farther now. This, and you can see we kind of just been following this up, and it should bring us to all-time highs again too. So definitely a good time to be buying and hodling your cryptocurrencies. And if you'd like to purchase Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin, the link is in the description. You can add some new coins, and if you purchase more using the referral link in the description, more than $100, you'll get an additional $10 bonus of crypto. So keep in tune, keep hodling, watch the market, and best of luck to everyone. I do suspect to see a nice recovery and a very, very, very high breakout that will happen with Litecoin very soon, because you can see we are kind of ending this pattern upwards. I'm going to draw it right to around here. We are almost about done with the movement. We have about maybe another week before we see some type of action, hopefully in the upwards direction, but we will see. Otherwise, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.